Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize matching bank rules in Wave, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize matching bank rules in Wave, begin by logging into your Wave account. Navigate to the Banking tab located in the left sidebar. Select the bank account for which you want to authorize bank rules. Click on the Transactions subtab to view your transaction list. Look for any transactions that have been flagged for matching with bank rules. Review the suggested matches provided by Wave. To authorize a match, click on the checkbox next to the transaction. If satisfied with the match, click on the Approve button. If not, you can choose to reject the match or explore other suggested transactions. For a more detailed review, click on the transaction to view its details. Make sure the details align with your records before authorizing. Once you have verified everything, proceed with the approval. Repeat this process for other transactions that require authorization. After processing all transactions, check the overall bank reconciliation status. Ensure that all matching rules are properly authorized to maintain accurate records. Once completed, exit the bank account to return to the dashboard. Your authorized bank rules are now saved and will help streamline future transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.